Installing lavatory and accessories.
You will need measuring tape, spirit level, electric drill with beads, screwdriver, silicone caulking, plumber's wrenches, epoxy, and one set of lavatory with complete accessories.
First, measure the new sink to make sure it fits the space. Put a marking on the location of the faucet holes, including the cutout for the sink. Put the sink in place and screw it. Install the faucet. New faucets normally screw in a clockwise direction onto the faucet assembly. Put a thin bead of silicone on the sink and set it into the hole. Clean up any excess silicone or smooth a line. Install the tailpiece and drain kit. Drop the tailpiece through the sink and screw on the tailpiece nut from the underneath. Seal the hole with epoxy where you connected the P-trap and sanitary pipe. Connect the water supply lines. Water supply lines should screw into place with the corresponding joints on the new faucet. Seal your connections with silicone caulk. Let the caulk dry for about 24 hours before turning on the water and going back over your work to check for leaks.